Hi you guys, my name is James Diaz. Today we're going to learn how to play That's So True by Gracie Abrams on the ukulele. You're going to need a capo on the first fret, and let's get started. The chords and the strumming pattern for this song, they are both very easy, so that's good. So the chords, you only need to know 3 chords for the majority of the song, except for the bridge. There's 1 extra chord in the bridge. The rest of the time, it's only the 3 chords. So, the 3 chords you need to know is going to be an F, to an A minor, to a G. Those are the 3 chords for the majority of the song. Now for the bridge, you're going to be playing those 3 chords, but right before the G, you're going to play a C chord. That's it. So it's going to be an F for the bridge, an A minor, to a C, then to a G. Those are all the chords you need to know for this entire song. Now let's go over the strumming pattern that you need. It's going to be down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. So down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. That is the strumming pattern for the entire song. I'm going to play the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, just so you can see where these chords go. I can go and read your mind. I think about your dumb face all the time. Living in a glass house, I'm outside. Looking in your big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me, make me cry. Smile through it all, yeah, that's my life. Then you would go to the pre-chorus. You're an idiot, now I'm sure. Now I'm positive I should go and warn her. To the chorus. Those are all the chords. That's the strumming pattern that you need to be able to play this song. If you guys need capos or strings for your ukulele, I have all that stuff in the description below. You could check it out. It's all on Amazon. Best strings in the world for ukuleles, all down there, everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video helped you, and I'll see you in another one.